So after you have printed your parts, you would want to sand them until all the layer lines are gone. As you can see, I haven't done that completely on mine as it takes a lot of time. You can see some of the layer lines here and a bit here on the blade. Next, stick the two halves of the body and two halves of the blade together. Spray on a plastic primer and sand it off. Repeat this at least 3 more times if you want that really nice and smooth finish. This is why I recommend using a really fine layer height, as the finer the layer height, the less you will have to sand. I would recommend using 0.1 or even 0.05 millimeter layer height. So after the model is primed, use whatever colors you wish to spray paint it. However, remember to use several light coats instead of one thick coat. The colors I used were these two slightly different shades of metallic silver, one for the blade and one for the body. Next, I used this chalky satin black, which provides a nice contrast against the silver blade and the body. Now onto my favorite part of this knife, this stunning textured look on the side panel. When I originally bought this paint, I thought it would work as a normal can of paint, simply sprayed on, and it would look like the color on the lid. However, it turns out it only provides an overlay of these silver blobs, which when sprayed rapidly provide a marble texture. Finally, simply glue in the buttons using CA glue and friction fit the side panels. I would recommend using a stronger plastic glue to join the blade and the body, as this joint can be quite fragile. Also, sand the sides well before gluing them to ensure optimal contact area. So yeah, that's it. If you have any further questions or recommendations for improvement, please comment down below, and please share your own projects.